I'm excited to introduce our speakers for today's webinar. First up, we have Dr. Kira Werstein, teaching professor in kinesiology, Master of Digital Health Director of Graduate Education. She specializes in health, wellness, and behavioral change courses. In addition to teaching, her professional mission is to translate research into practical solutions, which she achieves through various roles, including serving as a faculty member and as a clinical health coach and consultant. So welcome, Kira. In addition to Kira, we have Dr. Kristen Metcalf, Assistant Teaching Professor of Kinesiology for the Master of Digital Health program. And her expertise spans health and wellness, physical activity measurement, and wearable technology. Welcome, Kristen. And last but not least, we have Dr. Michelle Rusch, Assistant Teaching Professor of Kinesiology for the Master of Digital Health program. And she has an extensive background in using simulation in healthcare, developing mixed reality applications to offset the effects of fatigue and cognitive and visual impairments. So welcome, Michelle. So this will be a quick informational webinar on this Master of Digital Health program at Iowa State University. I assure you we will have plenty of time for questions at the end. But first, what we'll do is we'll go over a program overview. We'll talk about some of the curriculum. We'll discuss career opportunities within the field of digital health, what the online learning experience looks like. We'll touch on some of the student support and resources available to online students at Iowa State as well. And again, leave questions, any question and answer time. So, Kira, can you get us started by giving an overview of the digital health master's degree?
Yep, thanks, Megan. This program teaches students to use digital tools and data analytics to improve human health. Using information and communication technologies, it equips them with skills to manage health behaviors, illnesses, and risks. The learning objectives for the program include integrating digital technologies, analyzing data, and incorporating innovative technologies. It combines understanding digital health technologies with expertise in human movement, health behavior, and health promotion. Students will have hands-on experience, learn digital health tools and data analytics, and have opportunities to work on real-world digital health projects. Now, I'll pass it to Kristen to share a little bit more about the program's curriculum.
Thanks, Kira. So we've taken a holistic approach to the curriculum, blending technological innovation with health sciences for advanced digital health interventions. Our program is designed for working professionals, so we offer an online, flexible learning format that Michelle's going to tell us a little bit more about.
Thanks, Kristen. So the program involves 30 credits, and this breaks down into 4 credits of foundational courses and 24 credits or 8 specialized courses on data analytics, AI, personalized medicine, telemedicine, public health, and more. 2 credits are dedicated to a capstone project as well. The 2 foundational courses are Foundations of Digital Health and Research Methods and Ethics of Health Technologies. The Foundations of Digital Health course explores the intersection of technology and healthcare. It covers the evolution of digital health, agile methodologies for personalized interventions, and the impact of innovation and entrepreneurship on healthcare efficiency. The Research Methods and Ethics of Health Technologies course covers research methods in the digital health ecosystem, including quantitative and qualitative approaches. It explores ethical considerations and regulatory aspects of health technologies like wearables, apps, and social media platforms. And I'm going to share a little bit more too about the competitive skills that you'll gain by getting involved with our program. The foundational courses will set the stage for our specialized curriculum. For example, students will be inspired with concept ideas and methods for developing projects in focused areas. This work can be later showcased in a portfolio that will help you to be competitive in the job market. Finally, the capstone project gives students real-world experience relevant to your career goals in the digital health field. It can be an internship with industry partners, campus partners, research labs, or healthcare organizations. It could involve a meta-analysis or an analysis completed individually or in groups. and it will involve documentation and a presentation to faculty and students. Now, Kira will share a bit more about what students can expect the program to be like.
Thanks, Michelle. Students can expect to spend about 2 to 3 hours per week for each credit. So that means a 3-credit course generally takes a student about 6 to 7 hours per week. Each course will vary on the types of activities and assessments and the expectations of those. So you could expect things like quizzes, applied activities, presentations, and projects, all of which are in our learning platform called Canvas. Students in our current cohort have interests in future careers that involve healthcare IT, health data management, data-driven decision-making, health insurance, and product development and strategy. So Michelle, I think we're ready now to hear a little bit more about career potential with a degree in digital health.
Thanks, Kira. So digital health has real-world applications across various sectors. Examples include enhancing patient care and operational efficiency in healthcare, developing innovative health technologies, and optimizing. Our program equips Sorry, can you hear me all right?
You're coming kind of in and out just a little bit.
Okay. It may just be my internet connection. Please pause me again if it breaks up too much.
Sure.
Our program equips graduates to be competitive and excel in various areas where health and technology converge. This degree will distinguish students in the following areas. Number 1, healthcare IT and telemedicine. This involves telecare, activity monitoring, and remote medication management roles. Number 2, mHealth apps. This involves development and management of wearables, glucose monitors, activity trackers, and fitness apps. Number 3, monitoring services such as solutions for independent aging, chronic disease management, and post-acute care. And number 4, health analytics. And this would include opportunities with health insurance companies, software and product engineering, in addition to web application development. A degree in digital health opens up opportunities in a variety of fields, from managing risk and improving health outcomes to advancing drug development and delivery. You could also have the chance to lead data-driven health research, shape impactful health policies, and promote population health and disease prevention. There are a wide variety of applications for which you can use this degree and for which you will be prepared. I will go ahead and hand it back over to Kristen to share more.
Thanks, Michelle. The digital health field is rapidly expanding, and this is due to our aging population, increasing chronic disease rates, and changes in consumer expectations. Employment in healthcare occupations is projected to grow with about 1.8 million openings annually. Careers in health information technology are expected to grow by 16% in the next 10 years, and this is a lot faster rate than the average for all occupations. 2 digital health professions are among the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics 2022 fastest growing occupations. The first is medical and health services managers, and this is supposed to grow by 28% by 2032 and has a median pay of over $104,000 per year. And the second career is an information security analyst, and this is projected to grow 32% by 2032 and has a median pay of $112,000 annually. The healthcare and social assistance sectors are expected to drive employment growth in the U.S. and account for about 45% of all projected job gains between 2022 and 2032. And by 2026, there will be a significant shortage of health aides and medical assistants. So this is going to make professionals with a digital health expertise exceptionally valuable. Our program prepares you to offer accessible, efficient, and personalized patient care, ensuring job security and ongoing learning opportunities in this ever-changing field. We'd love for you to join us and become a leader in digital health, contributing to innovation in healthcare practices and research. So let's take a look at what your return on investment could look like. So the salary range for this field is wide, as post-program pay will vary depending on several different factors. Your experience, your geographical location, and previous education can all significantly influence your earning potential. However, the range also indicates that there's plenty of room for growth as you gain experiences in this field. In addition to the promising return on your educational investment, your tuition after scholarships alone would stand at $20,700. So this is a sum that could potentially be repaid within the first few years of employment after degree completion. Moreover, if you're currently employed, you could possibly reduce your out-of-pocket costs further. So you can visit your company's benefits package page to learn about any sort of reimbursement or educational reimbursement plans that they offer. So now Megan will round out the content portion for us today. Megan.
Thanks, Kristen. So I wanted to just highlight that while you have the support of Iowa State Online, the online student support team, you also have a dedicated person within the Master of Digital Health area, the program to assist you as well. So Amanda Flynn also provides student support for the program. So she would be one of your go-to contacts. She can help answer questions, connect you with other university services you might need as you kind of navigate through your time in the program. So you'd likely be in communication with Amanda at one point or another. And our team's also here to support as well. So thank you, Amanda. So admission to all graduate programs at Iowa State University require a four-year degree or equivalent from a regionally accredited institution. You will need to provide transcripts. There's a minimum 3.0 GPA requirement. And if you're a non-native speaker of English, you will have to provide your English proficiency. This program offers rapid admission. So you can apply to start in August, January, or May. And typically the applicants are evaluated within 7 to 10 days. So you will know very quickly about your application with this program. Additionally, if you reach out and let us know once you've applied, we can apply a fee waiver, which is $60 for domestic students and $100 for international students. So once you've applied, contact us, let us know, and we can get that fee waived for you. So I also kind of want to add in here that we've seen interest from students kind of using this as a gap year before medical school. So if you're in that position or kind of considering a gap year, this program would be a really great way to boost your application into that program, really dive into this field and build up some real world experience that would help set you apart. So cost, Kristen kind of mentioned cost already. So here's kind of how that stacks up. For the 2024-2025 school year, the tuition rate is as shown, $748 per credit hour. And then there's also a technology fee. And then that fee is kind of based on how many credits you take over the course of the semester. So, but in total, with some of the scholarship, which I'll mention in a second again, you're looking at about just over $20,000 for the full program. Additionally, Kristen mentioned the idea of employer reimbursement. There's also a deferment option available here. For a small fee, you can defer payment of fees and tuitions until the end of the semester. And sometimes that really works for students depending on what your employer reimbursement situation's like. And again, there's up to $1,800 in scholarships available for those who are enrolling within this academic year. Any questions that you have about any of this information, you can reach out to Amanda Flynn or to Iowa State Online. So if you are a student at Iowa State University, we offer a wide variety of resources for you. So there's academic, career, and many well-being that we have in support of our on-campus students, but also they're available to online students just the same. So from the Center for Communication Excellence within the grad college to mental health resources like telecounseling and well-being coaching, these things are all here. We're committed to supporting your success in every aspect of your university experience here at Iowa State, and we'd be happy to connect you with any one of those resources once you are a student.